Hey, good day, folks. And I am really excited about this. By the way, I'm George Kosh. I'm CEO of World Profit. Check this out. ChatGPT has come out with some pretty incredible updates, and I know everybody, in the GPT world knows all about this, but a lot of people on my channel don't. So I thought I'd show you. If you log into GPT now, you'll see they've got, get started with new capabilities, browsing, web, and stuff like that. But what I really wanted to show you was to train an AI. It's absolutely simple now. There's no code, there's nothing, and they even give you a link that you can send to other people, and they can find out about whatever document you've loaded or anything. The one that I pre-built is sitting here. This is just an example of one that I created, and I loaded a PDF document, and it came up with all this. So let me show you how I did it. You click on the Explore button on the left here, near the top, and it'll come up and it'll say, hey, do you want to create a GPT? So you go, yeah, sure. So you click on that, and this is the most amazing thing. It says, what would you like to make? So you can go in here and say, I would like to make a help area for my company, World Profit. And so the builder will actually work on the left side of the screen here, updating and building this thing that you want, and it'll show you a preview on the right. And you can test it anytime you want. Well, this is the really neat part though, is you can actually load a document up to train it, and you're really just talking to it. So it gives you this, would you like to call it World? No, I would like to call it, and you just talk like a human. How about World Profit Help Guide? Okay, and this is just, you can name yours anything you want. So if you're in an affiliate program, or you want to teach people about, something, you've got a lesson, whole bunch of lessons that even GPT created for you, you can make it do it all here and then have it build it. It'll even create a logo for you. You can send it to your website or whatever you want, and it'll generate a profile picture, and you can change the whole thing. Like it's literally like talking to somebody, a consultant, at no cost. It takes time to do these things, it just takes a few seconds to do something. But I was able to build an incredible thing. So like, look at this, it created a logo for me, which is really cool. I mean, I could never do something like that. And then over here, you can see on the right hand side, it says, da 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 da. So now it'll say, what do you think of it? Would you like to make any changes? No, it's fine. Can I upload, can I give you a URL to learn from? And I know it'll say yes, but this is a really neat thing, is you can send it to worldprofit.com. Okay, here you go. So now it's going to keep this information, not just for now, it's going to embed this into its system to help you go. So it says, I'll use this URL, what kind of questions or issues do you anticipate customers will come and this will help me understand. So let's just pretend I was done. And remember, you can also upload a document. You can say, I'd like to upload a document that you might have that you've created. And don't forget, you can actually go to a website and print the website as a PDF document, put it on your computer, and then load it into this thing. This is just phenomenal. And like, can you guide me through your platform? It even gives you questions. Now this is what somebody's going to see. So what you do is you say save, and it just says, I want the link to go to people with the link, and you say confirm. And you can come back here anytime and improve the training. And there's a link right up here, right on the top. So you can take that and give it to anybody. And all they have to do is register, and that's it. Like, you'll look really amazing. People will say, how did you do it? don't tell. Just say, hey, I coded the whole thing and that kind of a thing. So good luck with that. If you have any questions, just go ahead and place them in there for me, and I'll keep updating everybody on these things as they happen. But this is outstanding. This is really outstanding. I like it. Okay, thanks.